Hello children, welcome back to your online class. Hope you all are fit and fine and enjoyed your holidays a lot. Now it's time to get back to your studies. Children, now you all know your first term examination are about to come. Now we have completed our 8 assignments and we will do 2 more assignments, 9th assignment and 10th assignment, and after that you will have your uh, first term examination. Okay. Now written text will be of 40 marks and you will get 20 marks for your assignments. Means each assignment will carry 2 marks. So children, whatever is pending, just complete it. You must complete all 10 assignments. Okay, 8 we have done and 2 more we will do. Okay, so do not lose your marks. So your first term exam will be of 60 marks, 40 for text and 20 for assignments. 40 plus 20 is equal to 60. Now children, one more thing. Again this time you will get worksheets for your text exams from the school, and you have to write your answers on those worksheets. Okay, it will not be an optional exam. Okay, now you have to write the answers and you have to submit the worksheets. Okay, earlier you have done that. Same in the same way your first term exams will be there. Okay, so let's continue our class. So class 4, first of all we will do worksheet 3 of chapter 4, adaptations in animals, and also exercise questions of this chapter which I have given you as your homework, that is in 8th home assignment. Okay, so first of all we will solve that. After that we will revise the question answers from our assignments and we will start it with the first assignment. So children, this is your worksheet 3 on page number 51 in your science book. Question 1 is unscramble the letters to reveal 3 terms related with adaptation. So when we unscramble the first one, we will get camouflage. Camouflage. Okay, camouflage. Then second one will be shell. 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 Now third one will become venom. 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 Now question 2 is fill in the blanks with the options given below. Here some options are given. So first one will be Arctic. You can find out the spellings from here. Okay, Arctic foxes have brown coats in summer but grow white fur in winter. This color matches with the surroundings and it becomes difficult to spot them. Now third one is identify the following. Here some pictures are given. So first one will be of twig. 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 Okay. Then second one is scorpion. 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 And third one you all know porcupine. 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 Now question 4, match the following. Here 4 pictures are given and here some options are given. So first one you will match it with scales because snakes have scales on their body. Okay, so you will match it with the second option. Now second picture is of ostrich and you will match it with the last option, that is run fast. Okay, third one is porcupines and you will match it with the option 1 spines. Okay, it has spines. Then fourth one is, you all know, hard shell. Turtle has hard shell. Then fifth one, yes, camouflage. You will match it with the fourth option. Now question 5, tick the correct option.
The adaptating feature in a snail is due to its hard shell. Option B is the correct answer. Clear? Now question number 6. The doctor is known as what it is called? Animal's doctor is veterinarian. Now on page number 52 exercise questions are given. So question A is tick the right option. So first one is the process in which one organism changes itself to suit the surroundings is known as adaptation. You all know that. So option B is the correct answer. Now question number 2 is animals like horse, deer and giraffe are terrestrial animals. You will tick option A. Now third one is fishes have, you all know, fins which help them to move in water. So option B is the correct answer. Now question number 4, a deer has legs which help it to run. Option B is correct answer. Now fifth one is animals have streamlined bodies. Aquatic animals have streamlined bodies. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, streamlined body means boat shaped body. Now question B, fill in the blanks from the options given below. Here some options are given. So first one is the natural home of an animal is called its habitat. Here you will write habitat. Then second one is aquatic animals have streamlined body. Okay, here you will write streamline. You can match your spellings from these options. Okay, now third one is Arctic foxes have brown coats in summer but grow white fur in winter. Now next one is frogs and toads are cold blooded. Now fifth one is porcupines have spines to protect them from enemies. Now next question, question C is give one word for the following. First one is the process in which an organism changes itself to suit the surroundings. Yes, you will write here adaptation. 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 Second one, the natural home of an animal, habitat. HABITAT, habitat. Now third one is animals that live both on land and in water. Amphibians. You will write here AMPHIBIANS. Amphibians. Now next one is the animals that have spines for protection. Yes, porcupines. 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 Now next one is the only mammal that can fly. Here you will write bat. BAT, bat. Okay. Now next one, classify the following animals according to their habitat. So first one is a snake. This is terrestrial animal. Here you will write terrestrial. TERRESTRIAL, terrestrial. Now second one is crab. This is aquatic animal. AQUATIC, aquatic. Okay. Now third one is aerial. AERIAL, aerial. And fourth one is arboreal. ARBOREAL, arboreal. Okay. Now question E is match the following. So first one you will match it with the last option, spines. Okay. Then fish you will match it with the option 3, fins. And then a snake you will match it with the plates or scale, option 2. And this one you will match it with camouflage. Clear? Now question F, write true or false. First one, terrestrial animals have streamlined body. This is false. Now frogs and toads are cold-blooded animals. This is true. Then third one is animals that live on land are known as aquatic animals. No, this is false. Now fourth one is the pedal-like limbs of a turtle help to swim. Yes, this is true. Now fifth one is aquatic animals have lungs to respire. No, this is false because they have gills to respire.
Now children, we are going to solve question answers of assignment 1, which is related to chapter 1, food. So question 1 of assignment 1 is define the following terms. So first one is food. What is food? When we feel hunger, what we need? We need food. And after getting food, we feel energetic and satisfied. Okay, so what will be the definition of food? Food is a substance containing nutrients which fills our stomach and satisfy our hunger. Now, second one is nutrients. Okay, why we feel energetic after getting food? Because it has nutrients. So, the definition of nutrients will be food contains some useful substances that help us to live and grow. These substances are called nutrients. Now, next one is balanced diet. What is balanced diet? If we are getting all the nutrients from our food, obviously it will be called a balanced diet. So, what will be the definition of balanced diet? A diet in which all the nutrients are present in proper amount is known as balanced diet. Now, our next question is, why do we need food? That you all know, we need food because it provides us energy, helps us to grow and keeps us healthy and free from diseases. Okay, this will be the answer. Now next question is, name the various types of nutrients present in our food. So we have learned in first chapter different type of nutrients. What they are? Nutrients present in the food are number 1 carbohydrate, number 2 fats, number 3 proteins, 4 vitamins, 5 minerals, 6 roughes and 7 water. Okay, so these are the nutrients present in our food. Now next question is, write any 3 ways to take care of food. So following are the 3 ways to take care of food. First one, always take that much food which you can consume. Children, this I have already explained in my previous videos related to the chapter 1 food. Okay, so you must take that much food only which you can easily consume. Means there should not be leftover food in your plate. Okay, if you want, you can take one more time. Okay, so second one is, leftover cooked food should be kept in cold storage. These days if you see, if the leftover cooked food is not kept in fridge, soon it gets a bad smell. Okay, so third one is, packed items and frozen food items should be consumed before expiry date. So these are the 3 ways to take care of food. Now children, question 5 of assignment 1 was to solve worksheet 1 related to the chapter 1 food, and that one I have already solved in my video, which is linked with the third home assignment. So you can match your answers with that video and you can do any corrections if needed. Children, why I am explaining all the question answers of assignments to you again? Because many of you are not writing the answers properly, and many of you are not sending the assignments also. And also I don't want you to lose your marks in your exams, because I won't accept your answers which you are getting from internet or somewhere else. Your answer should be as per your book, as per your syllabus. So better you read the chapter, go through the chapter, read it carefully, watch the videos, and if you do this, You do not need to go anywhere for your answers because all things are given in your book very clearly and in a better way. So watch all the videos and read the chapters very carefully, and you will get very good marks. You will score good. Okay, so today we will do this much, and we will continue other assignments in upcoming videos. So till our next video, thank you and bye bye.